right, so we were just here, replaced the hose. We got like there's no charging voltage enough to keep us at 24. Went through it quickly. Old Robertson, right? We got the this is where you're getting your voltage, and like I just showed Braden, there is this battery adjustment, this little pot potentiometer, or whatever you want to call them, right here. This was down, so it was at 0. I can only get 16 and a half, 16.3, 0.5, somewhere around there, which is not giving me enough for the battery backup. And it's been a little bit, so they're completely toast. Another great set of COP screws too, which were unbelievable. But we got some down leveling issues with, I'm not sure if you guys heard. Sometimes it's flying right by, sometimes, and then you go up, or sorry, if you get a full run, it goes right by. If you go up like a couple feet, it stops early. We're gonna take this GMV down valve apart and just clean her up a bit. He's just gone out to get a pair of pliers. We got no pressure, eh? Just gets, like, I just remember him talking about it always getting sluggish or whatever, right? Grab a couple rags and then, oh, the crescent wrench is just behind you there with the rags.
Is it time?
What's that, sorry?
Yep. Ready?
No, you'll be all right, bud.
Spring in here or anything?
Probably. I vaguely remember maybe a spring and a ball.
Definitely needs a spring in there.
There's the ball. There's the spring.
Is the spring on the ball?
Here, clean her up there, bud.
Yeah. And cleaning this.
Just spray that with WD-40 and everything.
This thing's got a fucking child lock on it now. Check that out.
You know this is gonna be illegal, and you just gotta bust. Oh my god!
It's got a child lock up in here, dog.
What, Canada? Do you know they're banning this stuff?
Why?
Or making it more expensive or something?
More expensive for what?
Like this and brake clean.
The whole brake cleans are fucking turn. Or can you say it on YouTube?
Absolutely not. Probably. Thanks. Just when I was about to make it big.
So just spray in the hole and hope for the best.
Yeah, we'll work like open and close the little trigger valve part, the inner workings of it, you know.
Is it?
Like, does that not come out at all there? Yeah, there we go. There we go, bud.
Pretty dirty in there, man.
Yeah, that's why we're gonna clean her all out.
Ooh.
The money shot, eh? Oh, now we're getting that X-rated for sure.
Ooh, and it comes out too. Let's just turn it into a fucking whole thing, eh?
That's the dirt you're looking for right there. Maybe scrape that off a bit. Actually, it could be just marking from this guy.
WD-40 to clean it, eh?
Yeah.
Interesting. Is that what you always use? You won't like mess with those seals at all or anything?
Well, it hasn't done me wrong in the past. We'll just clean them all up real good when we put it back together, right? Here, let me grab another one there. And then I'll hold it all. Oh, I think these are the dirty ones still, but you're sitting on all the clean ones. Yeah, that might be just something you can't really clean. Just some old scarring. The old GMV 5000.
Seen better days. Doesn't matter which way these go.
No. I still haven't watched like that hour and 30-minute video of whatever we can salvage for some of that rope job in 90 or 65 North Service, which I gotta call her today.
We never did. Went and did that little demonstration thing at 33 Main.
What is that?
Could be a seal, it looks like, eh?
How the fuck does that happen?
Look about right.
Yeah, just wipe it off because there's probably little debris and shit in there now. We gotta be a
Does
little
that look
more.
right? Go back to the video when I pulled it out.
After watching the replay, I was determined that Braden dropped it. Just kidding.
Oh no. Okay, I dropped that one for sure. Balls there, this one's there. Probably would do better in the valve, eh?
Oh, those COP screws in my back pocket are killing my ass cheek. Can you, well, that's gonna need cleaning now too.
There's already dirt back in there.
What? Spray this down with some WD. And what I was hoping to do with this guy,
Too bad you don't have that ball magnet, eh?
what?
Because I had the ball magnet, we just stick it there and just pick up all the metal shavings or whatever could be in there.
Can you just stretch that out just a touch? Yeah, but that's it.
You think?
Yeah, no, I don't need any more really, I don't think. Just to make it a little stiffer. And then the spring goes in, then the ball goes in, right? Can you just spray that ball off because there was a bunch of rocks on it? I bet you. They're actually both kind of used. You see the shiny part of it?
Mm-hmm.
Because I bet you it acts up if the balls get stuck in it, you know what I mean, maybe?
Yeah, that makes some sense. Let's try this out. See, she good. Yeah,
Seems pretty legit, eh?
we're gonna find out.
Okay, I'm gonna go fire some COP screws together and we'll try it out.